Good Monday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather on Monday, June the 1st, 2026. Taking a look at your evening weather blog, starting off with current conditions. Temperatures in Bodcall are at 85 degrees. Humidity level still around 71%. Still humid out there today. Still see a few thunderheads off in the distance there of the Bodcall camera. Same story for the Prescott area. Temperatures right around 90 degrees still as of last update, and humidity levels around 63%, just a little drier down there at this current time on our Hascam's camera there with the sunset ongoing. Elsewhere, we do have some thunderstorms ongoing, and we continue to see this severe thunderstorm watch across north and central Arkansas. This also includes Garland County for another 38 minutes. We see some storms that have tried to get their act together. One of those has, and that is across the Garland County area as of 8:23 p.m. That is moving through the Hot Springs Village area. It has a special weather statement on it for the possibility of some strong wind gusts and some small hail. Severe warning storm just north of the coverage area moving through the Little Rock area. One of the big questions is for us tonight and across really our eastern portions of our coverage area. What will these storms do? Will these hold together? Will they dissipate as they move down into our coverage area? Earlier, we did see a storm just stall out pretty much right here just north of Mena near the Acorn, Blue Mountain, Posey Hollow, and Wolf Pinnacle area. That has led to a flash flood warning that goes in effect for another 37 minutes there as of 8:30 on the June the 1st. So we'll continue to monitor conditions closely there with what's ongoing with those storms, and we will keep close eye on that as we move forward. Real quickly, let's take a look at some quick model data to show you what Futurecast is wanting to show as we move forward, definitely with temperatures and more here. We can see temperature is going to continue to cool off tonight. Once again, this is one model, so don't take these numbers as exactly what's going to occur, but this is just the general idea. You can see temperatures in the 70s tomorrow morning, and then we warm up into the 80s. I do think we reach 90 degrees in a couple locations, and some storms move in out of our northwest, potentially bringing maybe some cooler air in that afternoon, but still warming up into the 80s and 90s tomorrow. Dew point value should slowly come down some through this upcoming time frame, and we could possibly see some drier conditions overall, and we will have to continue to keep an eye on that as a possibility moving forward. So real quickly, let's show you what Futurecast is showing. Remember, this is not perfect, but just one of the many pieces of building the puzzle. As you can see, it's not doing a great job of picking up on that storm near the Hot Springs area currently, but it is picking up on this storm over here, and maybe a few more showers and storms possibly later tonight. But those move through. Some rain chances overnight tonight. Big story is we get another little line or system that comes out of northeast Oklahoma into southwest Arkansas tomorrow afternoon, and that will move through the area, making for some scattered thunderstorms tomorrow. Can't rule out a strong storm or two with that, but we'll watch that closely as that goes onward through the day tomorrow. Remember, model data is not perfect, but it's just one of the many pieces of building the puzzle. Forecasting, expect that possibly late morning, early afternoon time frame there overall with that. So jumping back into the 6-day forecast here, you can see we continue with those rain chances on the day tomorrow, and we continue with those scattered thunderstorm chances and highs in the mid to upper 90s potentially there, overnight lows in the 60s. We'll see if we can get up there into the upper 90s. It could be a possibility with that backdoor cold front coming through, and we could see some warmer temperatures there before those storms move through there on the day. Partly cloudy skies Tuesday, mostly sunny Wednesday, highs in the upper 80s, a few lower 90s. Could be a possibility, but mainly in the mid to upper 80s, overnight lows in the 60s there. Then as we go in through Thursday and Sunday of this upcoming week, or really second half of the week and weekend, partly cloudy skies will be likely, highs in the 90s through that time frame, overnight lows in the 60s and 70s as we go back towards the weekend. Rain chances do re-enter the forecast potentially Friday and Saturday and Sunday. Small chances now, but they could increase moving forward. One thing to mention is we'll see a little bit of a drop in humidity values as we move forward here into the near future. So this is the look at the European model. If we take a look at dew points, you're going to notice a trend as we take a look over the south central region of the country. And as we go forward, those chances for humidity, they continue to really go down on overnight some, but these 70 dew points are really your humid air. The 60s are not as humid this time of year, but you can see drier conditions potentially through this Thursday and Wednesday time frame. But as we start to head back in towards the weekend, you can see an increase back in that moisture as it comes up out of the Gulf there into the weekend and next week there, with dew point values getting back up into the 70s potentially through the future. Now, looking at future casts on the European model, we can see some of those rain chances tonight and into tomorrow. And as we go into Wednesday, you'll notice some drier conditions there. So maybe not a whole lot expected Wednesday. Maybe some Thursday. We'll watch that closely. Could still be on the dry side. But the big story is those chances of those pop-up thunderstorms returning into the forecast Friday. And some more chances potentially into Saturday, although they're on the low side currently. And then you can see some more chances there on the Sunday time frame. So overall, we'll continue to keep watching those chances of rainfall for any new updates or anything of that nature. That's all we have for the 6-day forecast today and the evening weather blog. Just continuing to monitor those storms tonight and into Tuesday, with those scattered thunderstorms remaining possible through the afternoon on Tuesday. And we continue to see a mix of clouds and sun. Highs a little cooler, but still in the upper 80s and lower 90s through this week, and a small chance of rain the second half of the work week. Work week and weekend. So we'll keep an eye on that closely for you. Have a good rest of your Monday. Big thanks as always to all of our sponsors, the Grease Gorilla Truck Service Center, with roadside assistance available. Give them a call at 870-826-6641. Check them out on Facebook as well. They're also located at the J&S Auto Supply Bumper to Bumper shop there. Check them out at 518 West Main Street, Murfreesboro, Arkansas. Give them a call at 870-285-2107 for any of your auto supply needs. Patterson's Credit Union, located at 124 WP Mullen Drive, Arkadelphia, Arkansas. A Glenwood location is coming soon. Check them out at pfcuonline.org. Give them a call at 870-246-8005. An Elite Tree Service as well, headquartered in Gurdon, Arkansas. Their team covers a 120-mile radius around Gurdon, covering multiple neighboring counties and communities. Check them out at EliteTreeService.com and give them a call at 870-403-6290 for any of your tree needs there as well. Landmark Insurance Agency for your auto, home, commercial, and life insurance experience professional services. Check them out at 691 Highway 27 South Bypass in Nashville, Arkansas. Give them a call at 870-845-3787 there as well. Lastly, Palmer's Roofing for your trusted roofing across Southwest Arkansas. Choose Palmer's Roofing, locally owned and operated, specializing in shingle and metal roofing solutions. Give them a call as well for any of your roofing needs. Blessed to have these sponsors on board. Thank you guys always for all your support and new subscribers that we have here. If you like what you see here and you're new here and you're not subscribed, it's free to do so. Hit that notification bell as well when you subscribe so you get notified anytime we upload a video. Make sure to check us out on Facebook and YouTube and on Instagram as well, and TikTok. We're on all those platforms. Facebook's our main platform where we post pretty often throughout the day as well over there. Continuing to trying to grow our Skycam network. So if you are interested and own a business, or you are a city official or county official and you would like us to come speak at a quorum court meeting or city council meeting or something of that nature, feel free to contact us at our email address right there, southwestarkansasweather@gmail.com, and we'll get in contact with you and get that set up there with that as we continue to grow this network like you just seen with our Prescott and BodCall cameras. Have a good rest of your Monday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.